The girls have been my little shadows for quite some time, going out and about with me to small villages around the GTA, just looking at beautiful sights, and they always point out beautiful containers when they see it and analyze them with me. So I thought it would be a great idea to have them do a challenge. So they will be competing on who can pick their own flowers in time and who can put together the best arrangement. This was really fun to do, and they were so happy and engaged, which surprised me, but I enjoyed it nonetheless, and I hope you enjoy it too. Spotted this serene location near home, and we decided to just go for a walk. So after I let them explore their environment, we got straight to the challenge. What if we do a flower arrangement? I think I've already said it before.
Challenge.
How
many minutes do we have?
We can do this 2 minutes to pluck the flowers. 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
2. The minute already started.
Oh, 2 minutes. Pluck your flowers.
Mommy, can you please help me get this off? Trying to get like a yellow.
Oh, I like your arrangement.
But like I wanted to add purple, but I like the purple makes it look like.
You don't have to. It's up to you.
I'm gonna get some of these for this yellow.
Okay.
It smells good. You guys smell. There you go. The timer's gonna ring. Smell mine.
Longer stem, because we're.
Timer's up. I added a few
What, you
more
want to go pump it up?
I added this. Wow,
Oh.
cheater. That's what you did too. Cheated.
You didn't think I wouldn't get in on the action. I definitely picked some flowers to take home. I was so excited, I started skipping and jumping. All right, let's do part 2 of the competition. When we got home, I put mine directly inside of a container and focused my energy on the girls because I wanted to see this to the end.
Oh shit, I put all the pretty ones on the side and not. So basically, mine is supposed to be some yellowish type of like lemon. I don't know how to explain it. Like daisies with like yellow, but there wasn't no daisies there, so I just found like these yellow plants here. Like what? No, white plants here, and then I have this plant here that I found. There were some bees on it, and there was some bugs crawling away from it, which means this is a really good plant. I wanted it to make it look like as if it was growing out from inside the bottle. So I have like...
You may want to take the leaves off.
Yeah, but I have like these small ones as if they're growing. I have tiny ones of these ones growing.
Nevaeh, what are you doing over here?
I'm adding fake plants around it. Yep, fake plants, guys. But the middle ones, they are real plants.
Okay. It looks like a who? A bunny?
A bunny, like its ears, its face.
Now, you guys know how hard it is to get kids excited for a prolonged period of time in any project. But they were taking ownership of this project, and I was loving it because it's my passion, and I just feel like I'm passing it down. Yes! Ooh, is that an ulterior motive? I don't know. Beautifying your space in your world is always a good thing, right?
There.
What are you doing?
Well, she took artificial plants, so I need something to also make it. This is real though. It's not fake. I just want to see if it looks nice. Looks like a...
Okay, started to get competitive. Nothing was off the shelf for the kids. No. Go put that back. Put that back. Oh my God. put it back where you got it from. That's cause cheating. You need this? Oh my goodness. It's getting serious out here.
Well, yeah, it's obviously when it comes to competing.
What are you doing?
So basically in the nighttime, I want light shining from underneath this, and it goes.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Can I clear batteries? Then I'm gonna add this next to my thing. Mommy, can I have batteries?
Okay.
Wait,
2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
Can I have batteries? Can I have batteries?
Okay, you can have a battery.
Huh?
You can have a battery.
Okay, can you get it?
Time is up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Time's up. You ready? Okay. All right.
Start with houses.
Start with.
Start with the worst one.
Okay. Beth, I'm gonna start with you now. Are you ready to go? Okay. Show us what you got on your table, not on the dance floor.
Okay, we can start now. Mommy will show everything while I'm playing the music.
So Nevaeh's starting with music. Arrangement for us here with the pumpkin and the candles and the flower arrangement. And Nevaeh, you said there was some fall flowers in here, right? Where are the real flowers? This one, that one. Oh, beautiful. And you put a camera there to record what you've done. All right, Nevaeh. Good job. Okay, good job.
So, as the best decor decorator here in this house,
Whoa.
I have good. Stop talking.
Hey, focus here.
I have good flower arrangement sense.
Okay, show
Just
us
like
your
my
flower
mom.
arrangement. Show us your flower arrangement.
So, because
Hey, Nevaeh, get out of here.
no, this is not allowed. You need to go sit down.
Get out of here. Hey, be polite.
My flower arrangement is over here.
Okay.
I have lights and stuff. Can you move, please?
Wow.
Lights. I have things that says Corrado, product of Italy, lemon Italian soda, and it's yellow and white, and I have yellow and white with white lights inside. That's why Mom loves fall, spring, or summer. Summer and then fall.
Wow.
So
How thoughtful.
and so I just made balls like summer stuff. I just added what made it look nice. The acorns when I was picking them, it reminded me of when I was like 6 years old. Me and Mommy went to the park and we saw acorns. Then we brought them home and we painted them orange in different colors on and then we had them all in a bucket. Picking up these acorns, I saw them and they were just giving me the memory of the acorns. And yeah, I just really like it. And I really like how the lights in there, adding highlights to it. It looks really nice. So, guys, if you guys vote for me as the winner, I promise you guys that you guys owe me money.
What? That's nobody's gonna vote for you then.
Well, if you guys
And Nevaeh.
if you guys vote for me, I'll make little Easter eggs of these just around the house, and you guys have to spot them in the videos.
Okay. So how did you get Nevaeh, sit up? Hey,
Ow! I didn't do that.
guys, behave. Okay, so what did you think about this experience? Was it fun?
A little, because we started it from the pond. I should have used the pond for mine. Make a little pond, get a pot and put fake
She's
ducks in
overthinking
there.
things and it makes look
But
bad.
like, guys,
Be
imagine
polite.
that. Imagine everything you like over there, but like not messy. And then just give it a thumbs up. If you like vote for me, I will.
Do a
Let's-
shout out.
Let's see. Make a music video for you guys. Woo! I'm good at singing, so you guys just watch it. And since I'm going to dance class,
If you
Okay,
guys,
okay.
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
Enough.
I will make my own YouTube channel for you guys.
Okay. So it was a success. So we enjoyed Nevaeh's arrangement on the table for dinner that night. Alice's arrangement was right beside the television where it could be seen beautifully. They're still behind me as my little pumpkins and shadows. Here we are at high tea as I take them everywhere now so that when they grow up, they'll be just like me. Okay, all right, I can't take all the credit. But thank you all for joining me, guys. Have a great day. Bye.